Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to enable or disable high contrast fonts on Samsung Galaxy A02. Okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, you'll have to do is go to setting in your Samsung Galaxy A02. In settings, scroll down and go to accessibility. Here in accessibility, okay, you can see the visibility enhancement. Okay, tap this. Okay guys, here in visibility enhancement, okay, in color and clarity section, okay, you can see the high contrast fonts. Okay, and on the right side, you can see the switch button. And okay guys, to enable the high contrast fonts on Samsung Galaxy A02, you'll have to do is switch on the switch button on the right side. And okay guys, that's it. Okay, we have successfully enabled the high contrast fonts on Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, to disable again, you'll have to do is switch off the switch button on the right side of this high contrast fonts. And that's it, okay? So, I decided to enable the high contrast fonts on my Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, that's it. And if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.